Stocks on the deep, we have ETS, APM, AEMD, and JEM. So we'll begin with ETS. ETS just debuted. Lost. It has lost 57.29%. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, we started trading yesterday in the pre-market session. So not enough data is available for the stock. Let's see what we have in a 1 minute chart. Okay. Funny enough, there's enough for extrapolation on its daily chart. So, but it seems to have recovered some of the intraday low of $1.2. It has recovered somewhat. So there isn't enough to there isn't much to say there. Okay, what it has actually has projections here. We have what do we have here? Intraday high is 4.23, so that's an upper projection. Here currently we on this 1 minute chart, the highest is 1.4. Is it 1.4? Yeah, maybe there might be. It may have. Well, I mean, whether it has it or not, we know this is clearly 4 point intraday high. Definitely an upper projection, 4.23. I haven't checked what this company does. You have to check and be sure, and before you get involved. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Move on to APM. Okay. APM is okay. Not APM is down 37.53%. Nothing coming up. I believe we may have looked at it yesterday. Yes, we did. We did. Yeah, it spiked yesterday, so it's giving back some of the gains that ran up yesterday. So this 4 hour chart is indicating that weakness is going to remain in place, going all the way towards Wednesday, the 3rd of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying that it has 1.66 downward projection here. Yesterday, it printed at 4.9, so that's also an upper projection. Yeah, 4.9. Let's see what we have here. 4.25, $5, 6.36, 7.21. These were as of the 25th of July. So it actually tested one of those projections yesterday. Yeah, currently 1.6 is a down projection. Selling pressure or buying or price pressure momentum. Okay, still very strong because this is a very steep spike, very steep, very steep spike, and okay, it actually took 2 days to get there, so it's not just one day spike. It is a 2 day spike, and it's so you can see this angle of attack is a steep one. Um, Imagine a plane, for instance, an aircraft just plane, even yeah, planes. Let's just say commercial aircraft can't fly like this. They can't do that. So if a stock does that, then expect a pullback to happen. That's what has happened. So as a result of that, the price pressure momentum is still very robust, still very very robust, given even with a 38% plunge. So it hasn't the immense amount of pressure it brought. You can see that when I place this here, you see what's going on there. You can see this first value here, and watch these two. There's this price pressure momentum one and price pressure momentum two. You see how high they are. 178 in the first one, and then 88 in the second one. So this loss that it has faced right now, this correction is facing right now, is hasn't eroded anything yet. So the stock is still in a robust trend mode. Yeah, it's indicating that the moving averages are likely to provide support. However, it's resting on its 10 period moving average. I'm not exactly sure whether it's going to sustain it, but that's what it implies amongst other things. So the next is AEMD. AMD down 27.4% yesterday. What is spiked 2.74 intraday high. Yeah. Okay. So extrapolation is saying that it's going to be a consolidation up till Friday the 29th, and then after that, the uptrend may resume. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. 1.38. We already have 2.74 that I printed yesterday. There may be even higher projections. There may be. I just saw four now. Yeah, 3.9. It's yeah. Okay, but they're not prevailing. They're not in play at the moment. So equally here as well, we can see because the stock ran up a 2 day, built up an immense amount of pressure over two trading sessions, giving this 28% plunge or loss. The moving averages are also still robust, just as in the other stock. So it's indicating that yeah, there's a good chance that okay, it has broken through the 10 period moving average, so that it's not going to hold. Um, Maybe the 21 period may hold a support, but it has failed that that thesis that theory has not worked here. So let's have a look at the next is JEM. JEM down 26.01%. Okay, here we have no extrapolations yet. Hasn't been around long enough, but we have projections. Projections are saying 4.53, 5.55, 6.17. Nothing to the downside, even though the stock has been is in a bearish trend, in a short term bearish trend. The algos are not projecting anything to the downside. They're not projecting lower prices. Intraday high as of last week, $7. Intraday low as well, 1.82. So even though the algos are not projecting anything, we know there's a downward projection of 1.82. It has actually been printed that not long ago. So yeah, because it's the stock is in a downtrend, everything here is so bearish, so negative, indicating that lower prices may continue to print as well. So yeah, the market has just closed, and people are still keen on selling their positions in the stock. Yeah, but maybe not too many people are keen at the moment to buy. They may want to buy at lower prices. Okay, so see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.